Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the clone stamp function on the Pixomatic application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, tap on the plus icon down below and click on Start with Image, tap on the photo you want to edit, tap on Clone Stamp, which is the third button, and after that you should tap the source area you want to clone, and then you should zoom in for better application and brush over the target area you want to replace by that part that you have selected first. You can also select the brush size in the middle of the screen by this slide, so you can apply it more precisely, as you can see. So if you are done with it, tap on the check mark icon in the upper right corner of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.